to the Healing Insights 70-day course. We are on day 59. We are also working on step 5, exercise and physical activity. My healing insight for today is yoga is delicious. I must have picked up this little phrase along the way from one of the many YouTube videos that I watch daily. I tried to go back and find out what wonderful person said this, so I could give them credit. But I still have not been able to find that one video. I'm going to give credit anyway to this wonderful person that was motivating me in more ways than one. Thank you. I didn't realize how to apply this healing insight at first. I took it quite literally. I just figured yoga is good for you, so it makes sense that yoga is delicious. Even though I love yoga so much, I know that my body is not as flexible as I would like it to be. It doesn't do exactly what it should for the poses. In the beginning, it was a bit discouraging when I would look at the yoga instructor in the video because my body was doing something totally different. But I thought, what the heck? I haven't been doing yoga for 20 years. I have many medical conditions. All I really need is some pain relief and flexibility. I don't need my body to do or look like that anyway. Of course, with the lack of flexibility and muscle tone, yoga was a challenge for me. And to be honest, it still is. Also, it was often uncomfortable. I would say to myself, yoga is delicious during the most challenging times. But once I learned how the body and the brain work, that they can be tricked to help you create healthy lifestyle habits, I knew how to use this healing insight. I knew I could influence my brain to believe what I wanted it to. I continued to repeat this phrase every time I did yoga. I knew I was creating the plan with my conscious mind by saying yoga is delicious. I knew that my subconscious mind would carry out the plan so that I would be able to handle the yoga poses. That is the positive action I wanted to create to make yoga a healthy habit in my daily life. This little phrase served two purposes. It encouraged me when I was being pushed to my limit. It also helped me to create a healthy lifestyle habit. You can see how this encouraging phrase was attracting positivity back to me. I felt excited that I was able to do yoga. As I repeated the phrase, it was helping me to repeat the action, which was helping me to create the healthy habit. I caught on to this cycle because this was helping me to keep yoga as a daily routine. So I started applying is delicious to many other things in my life. I have purchased many medical devices to help me decrease pain or maintain relief. These medical devices are not always so comfortable to use. My massage chair is fantastic, but not when my trigger points were highly sensitive. I would say, this massage is delicious. My neck traction device is not always relaxing, especially when my neck is super tight and it is stretching it to its limit. Again, I would say, this traction device is delicious. My inversion table is the same way. It works wonders for my lower body and sciatic pain, but it's not always so great when you first get on. As I always would say to myself, this is delicious no matter what. The same goes for my TENS unit. It can give great relief, but at times it can be so strong or have the side effect of sensitivity to my skin. But of course, my TENS unit is just as delicious as the other devices I use. I encourage you to find a phrase or use this one to keep you motivated, to help you to trick your mind and your body to achieve a healthy lifestyle. This healing insight may seem silly, but once you understand how it works, how the mind and body work, how the law of attraction works, how you can change your mind, how you can create healthy habits, how you can improve your life, how you can improve your health, you will believe this healing insight has great meaning. I hope that you are starting to fully understand how each of these concepts can be applied to your life. How these healing insights give you an explanation of how and why they work. How and why you must implement them into your life. I want to help you gain full understanding of this information so you can feel the hope, the healing, and the peace. I want you to be successful in healing your mind, body, soul, and spirit. The main purpose of my course is to teach you how to use these healing insights to live your full life. The activity, soul-searching questions, and daily challenge can be found in the workbook under day 59. You can pause the video if you need to print the worksheet, or grab your notebook and a pen. Today's activity is chair yoga is delicious. So let's do some. Get my desk out of the way here. The first thing we're going to do is a neck release. So what you want to do is you want to clasp your hands like this, and then just bring them behind your head, and then just tilt your head forward towards your chest. And you're just going to apply that gentle pressure. You can hold this for 20 to 30 seconds and repeat times 3. This is such a good little neck stretch. So delicious. All right. The next one that I want to show you is a chest and a back opener. So you want to make some fists and make them touch, and then you're just going to try and open up those shoulder blades. So that's what you're doing this motion for. And you hold 20 to 30 seconds like this. It can be a little difficult in the beginning. I might look shaky in the shoulders, but that's okay. Just work through it, do some deep breathing. And then once you get to 20 or 30 seconds, then you bring that right arm forward, left arm down, and you want to place your hands on your opposite shoulders and just tuck your head down. This gives an extra stretch from the neck all across the shoulder blades. So good. Opens up all of that shoulder area. And then again, just hold for 20 to 30 seconds. And then once you reach your limit, you open up and you just do the other side. So if that right arm was above, now your left arm is above. And the right arm is below. And you just tuck your chin and hold for 20 to 30 seconds. Such a good little stretch. I usually do this twice, and I just alternate the sides. So then you would just go back to here like this for the second repetition. All right, and then the next one that I want to show you is a hip opener. Oh, it's actually a hip stretch, sorry. So what we're going to do is we are going to raise our hands up in the air as we take a deep breath. As we exhale, we're going to place our right hand on our left knee and our left hand on the back of the chair. And we're going to turn our head to the left. And this is going to give you a nice hip stretch, little hip twist here. Twisting is also very good for anyone who has tummy issues, intestinal issues, because the twists give your intestines a little massage. And then you release after the 20 or 30 seconds. Inhale, and then exhale, opposite direction. And again, you just turn your head and hold 20 to 30 seconds. You can take some deep breaths in here and kind of do a little release and deepen the stretch, however you decide to do it, or if you want to hold it the whole 20, that's fine. But just don't forget to breathe. Breathing is important. And then once you get to your 20 or 30 second limit, you just can continue on and do 3 repetitions each direction, holding the 20 to 30 seconds. So there you have it. Again, these are short little movements that can be added to your day, whether you work and you're at the desk, you have a 5-minute break, or you're at home in between on the commercials. You could be at the edge of the couch, at the edge of the bed, on the kitchen chair, wherever. All right, moving on. Soul-searching questions. Get your pen and notepad and let's get going. What thought or phrase can you use to trick your mind into thinking exercise and physical activity are delicious? How do you feel just doing this short chair yoga routine? How can you add exercise and physical activity into your daily routine? Daily challenge. Turn hope into action. Make it delicious. Take your answer from question number 3 and take action today. So what you'll do is you will go up to the soul-searching questions, and number 3, the question was, how can you add exercise and physical activity into your daily routine? And you will take action today to make that happen. All right. That's the end of day 59. I will see you in the next video.